Today I'm in the Asian Inspirations kitchen. I've got the lovely Lillie here, and we're cooking a dish that I'm going to call Vietnamese Grilled Pork Noodles, but you might have a bit more of a authentic name for it?
We call it the Vietnamese Bun Thit Nuong.
Yeah, I can't say that.
Oh, come on, give it a try.
Bun
Thit
Thit
Nuong.
Nuong.
Yeah, it basically means noodle, pork, grilled.
Okay, so
We say it.
bun, noodle, thit, pork,
Nuong.
grilled. It's easy.
It's a very simple recipe, actually.
Yeah.
So basically, what we've got is we've got some pork loin there.
Pork loin, yep.
All right, Michael, I'm going to get you to tenderize the pork
Perfect.
first.
So all this is doing is breaking the meat down a little bit. That's the thing, is the more surface area you got, the more flavour we're getting into that bit of pork.
Looks like you're having a lot of fun there, Michael.
I am, Lillie. I've taken some frustration out on the pork. Poor pork, but it's going to taste delicious.
Okay.
So that's pork done. We'll get rid of our pork board. We're going to make sure we're nice and sanitary.
I'm going to get you to do the dirty job of grating the shallots and the garlic into the
so-
pork. What we do is by grating it, it acts as a tenderizing agent.
Yeah, cool.
So
Great.
whilst you're doing that, I'm going to do the hard work of basically chopping up the lemongrass. We're going to put some fish sauce in there first, okay?
Trying to improve my chopstick skills as well.
So we're going to add fish sauce. As you can see, I'm not measuring much, but the recipe is actually, you can find that recipe on the website.
Yeah.
But ultimately, we're adding a bit of ABC sauce in there as well.
And like with all marinades, you just want everything to be coated evenly in a bit of the sauce, a bit of the sugar. Okay, Lillie, so that pork has been marinating for an hour. You can smell it. It smells amazing.
Amazing.
Fish sauce.
So we're using the Wei Wei rice noodle. Have you used this before?
I have. I really like them.
It is
They just
fantastic,
they
isn't
cook.
it?
I don't even say it's not cooking, is it? You put hot water over them, they rehydrate so quickly.
Yes, now I've got some water boiling already, and it just needs to basically sit there for a few minutes to soften the noodles.
Once this hits the pan, you start smelling that lemongrass and the fish sauce. It smells amazing in here.
So with the fish sauce, what we've got there, we've got chopped garlic, chopped chili, we've got lemon juice, sugar, and fish sauce, of course.
Beautiful.
And a bit of water, okay?
So
you
much
want
flavour.
you want the sweet, sour, and savoury flavour in there. Would you like to try a little bit?
Love to. And the water just balances out, right?
Yep. Just add enough water.
A little bit. There's so much chilli on that, Lillie.
It's fine. You'll be fine.
Oh, that has got so much flavour.
Absolutely.
Fish sauce, lemon juice, the chilli. You can definitely taste the chilli, but I love that. Nice and hot.
Yep.
Coat the lips. That's beautiful.
And that's going to put basically hold the whole salad together.
That brings it all together.
Okay,
Love
bring
it.
it all together.
Let's build this thing.
Yes. So what we do? Would you like to do that?
Yeah,
So
you teach me.
we
I'm
put a bit
excited.
of noodles in there.
Yep, so this is the bun
it's
bit.
as much, yes.
I speak Vietnamese now, obviously.
Very good.
3 words of it.
Okay. So pick out the herbs that you like to add onto your plate.
Let's pick them all up. I love all the herbs.
Okay. I'm just going to chop it.
So this is shiso?
That's right. Or
So-
they call it perilla.
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 Same thing?
Pretty much. So this show is more Japanese.
Yep, Perilla's the Vietnamese
Okay.
version.
Yep, we've got Thai basil,
Well,
we've got
I love Thai
coriander,
basil.
pickled carrot and daikon.
Nice.
Okay, so that's basically just carrot, daikon, a bit of sugar, a bit of vinegar, a bit of salt.
Yep.
Okay, and then you can basically pop the pork on there as well. I'm just going to basically, I'll cut some cucumber for you as well.
Yep.
Whilst you're doing that.
How much pork? Just to slice up bits?
As much as you like.
Don't tempt me. I'll put all of it on there.
Absolutely, go for it. It's
Pork
good
here.
protein. Yep.
One for me. Oh, that's so yum.
It's so yummy,
Oh.
isn't it? Oh, and don't forget, we've got some bean shoots here for you as well.
Crunch. Peanuts.
And then what we'll do is pop some peanuts. If you can just crush some nuts over there.
Yeah. Let's grab the mortar and pestle.
Pop that. Where would you like the cucumber? I'm not going to stuff up your dish, so I'm going to get you to finish it off.
This is you. I don't know. Where would you put it? Do you want to show some noodles, or do you want to put it there? Or?
Would you like? Is that okay if I just pop it there?
It's your dish, so I know. You put it where you like. I trust you.
And then we're putting some fried shallots on there as well.
And then this is the important bit.
Basically the sauce.
All of
the
that?
sauce over it.
Not all of that.
It's actually quite balanced, the sauce. So if you want the whole lot in there, that's fine.
I call it
Well done.
Vietnamese grilled pork noodle salad,
And
but you call it.
Bun Thit Nuong.
How good does that sound, guys? You've got to try this one at home.